Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of digital manufacturing. We are here to discuss about the digital manufacturing process. In the previous video, we just introduced about the concept modelers used in the digital manufacturing process. So I'm Dr. J.Yokesh Kumar, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the second topic of the fifth unit about concept modelers, translators, and 3D printing software. In that, we are having a Thermo jet printer. So this is the 3D printer which is commonly used for developing a prototype for simple applications. So let us have a detailed discussion about the Thermo jet printer. So, do you remember this uh, presentation is having a thermojet printer, which it is having an overview about materials used in the thermojet printer, and we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of the process and how the process is happening, how we are converting core 3D model into a prototype and few applications of the process. So the today's topics for discussion is thermo jet printer. Here we are going to just introduce about the thermojet printer and processes and materials used in the process. So let us explore thermojet printer. Here you are having a real photograph of thermojet printer. It is used for the industrial applications. So here it is having a head 3D printing head which is heated by means of heating coils and that is used to melt the raw material and which is injected wherever we want. At the bottom we are having a controlling element. So this is the 3D printing technology. This is falls under the material jetting category. So here we are going to selectively depositing the liquid photopolymer or otherwise wax like a material in a build platform, and we are going to develop a layer by layer uh, material. Finally, we can have a cumulative of material of 3D model. So let us empathize what is 3D printing, thermo 3D printing model. So it is a 3D printing technology that is used to deposit the liquids of photopolymer or sometimes wax like a material in the form of layer by layer. So after injecting the material to convert the liquid material into a solid material, we used to pass a UV light. So it is nothing but an ultraviolet light which is used to cure the liquid substance into a solid substance. Then finally we are having a 3D model. So this process flow starts from the preparation of 3D model and slicing of the 3D model in the 3D printing machine software. And the second step is to deposit the material. So once we have sliced the part into a definite proportions, the material is used to deposit in the machine uh, by means of a print head and which converts that solid into a liquid material by means of a heating process. So once the material is deposited, the next stage is curing or solidification process. So this can be done by passing a ultraviolet light or the thermal energy which hardens the material from liquid to solid. And the next step is layering. So the same lay process can be repeated or iterated for many times to develop the material. Then final stage is to remove the support structures which is used to reinforce the developed body to avoid falling of the body or damaging or cracking, thermal cracking or distortion of the part. Then finally post processing can be done like a few finishing operations like cleaning, sanding or painting operations can be done with the 3D model. So the most commonly used materials in the process is photopolymers, which is nothing but a light sensitive material. Then sometimes we are using wax-like materials, which is used to uh, which is change its state when we heat the material, which is converted into a liquid when we cool it, which forms a solid. Then finally, we have a castable materials also used. Uh, this is mainly used for investment casting applications. And these are all the commercial applications of thermo jet printing process for making consumer products like daily consumable products used by the customers, and to create a higher end prototype that is used for developing a functionality test, and investment casting patterns mostly used for making a jewel related materials. Then dental models like teeth and other dental models can be developed. Then jewelry design, then medical devices can be developed by using this process. So let us summarize the 3D printing technology. We are having a inkjet printing technology. Under this classification, we have continuous and drop demand. Under continuous, we have a continuous stream, droplets, and high velocity process. So let us have an assessment. So what is the primary mechanisms used in the thermojet printing? So we have electrostatic deposition, phase change of wax, and piezoelectric vibration. So the answer is thermo B. So this is nothing but a thermojet which uses a phase change wax that is melted and uh, joined. So which material is commonly used in the thermojet printers? Molten metal, UV, curable resin, and liquid form. So the answer is wax-based thermoplastic, which is used to solidify quickly. And these are all the references for my presentation. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.